it's Tracy Lynn with a super quick clutter tip for you. So I'm going to show you how to make DIY cleaning buckets. These are super nice to have because who likes to clean? Absolutely nobody. So when you can make it easier for you to get in and clean up a mess or do your weekly cleaning, even your monthly cleaning, this chore will become much easier to do so you stop avoiding it. So the first thing that you want to do is gather up all your cleaning supplies, which I did that already in my favorite decluttering tool, my Walmart laundry basket, if I can say it. And I gathered up all of my cleaning supplies for the 2 rooms I'm doing this demo for. Just put everything inside and bring it to your workspace. And then I picked up these buckets at the dollar store, $1 each, and they work perfect for this project. So we are going to take and divvy up the cleaning supplies for 2 of the main rooms that I clean in my home, and I'm going to show you this super simple clutter tip. And now we have ourselves 2 cleaning buckets. The buckets came from the dollar store, so that's $1 each. And your cleaning supplies go right inside. We use the label maker to label them. And now you have a quick and efficient way to clean each room in your home. You can set one up for the kitchen, for the bedrooms, for the nursery, for every bathroom, whatever makes it easier for you to clean. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this quick clutter tip.